What's so cool about manufacturing?
My name is Matt Dorn. I'm the president of the MANTEC company. We're a commercial printing company located here in York, Pennsylvania. I think one of the great things is the pride that we can have as individuals, as a society, an economy, a country for that matter. There's a lot of pride and excitement I have beyond what we do here at Anstat.
What I like about manufacturing is that every single day is different here. We don't make widgets here. Every single day is something different.
Yes, it's a family business, of which I'm a part of, the fifth generation family business. And that's where it started in 1878 as a local company here in New York, and we still stand today in York, PA, is 5 generations later and 146 years in business this year.
A lot of what we do here is more tech related versus what you think of normal printing. Normal printing is putting ink on paper. It's a lot more of a technology career than it is just, again, putting ink on paper like your grandfather probably did.
You can take something from a vision of somebody and you can turn it into an end product that everybody out there can use. It goes from anything from a box to a booklet to a school book to anything that's out there.
It goes way back when to Gutenberg and the Bibles and things like that were printed that you hear often about in the history of manufacturing and print for that matter. It's an old industry. But the cool thing is, along with that, we have all this technology and innovation that's taking place.
And I have seen a lot of changes. The presses that we run today were just an idea, just a thought at the time. Digital presses were really in their infancy.
It's everything from big ice cream cones to you'll see pictures of people, their most important moments in our lives, so, baby being born or weddings, things like that too. We do a lot of that kind of work too. That's really, it is a unique defining thing to say. We're 146 years in business and counting.
I think the biggest thing about manufacturing is that it's fun, it's different, we're technologically advanced.